Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about something essential for businesses and creatives alike, how to embroider logos for perfect branding. Embroidered logos on apparel, bags and uniforms not only enhance your brand's professional image but also make a lasting impression. I'll share some key tips to ensure your logo embroidery is flawless, and I'll introduce you to digitizing.com, a fantastic service for all your embroidery digitizing needs. Let's get started. Tip number 1, choose the right design. First up, the design of your logo is crucial. Keep in mind that embroidery adds texture and depth, so simple, bold logos often work best. Small text or highly detailed designs can lose clarity when embroidered. If your logo is detailed or complex, don't worry. Digitizing.com can help you adjust your design for embroidery. They specialize in turning even the most intricate logos into digitized files that are ready to stitch. Tip number 2, use high-quality digitizing services. Embroidery digitizing is the process of converting your logo into a format that an embroidery machine can read. The quality of your digitized file directly affects the final look of your embroidery. That's why I always recommend using a professional service like digitizing.com. They've been around since 2009 and offer quick, reliable digitizing for logos, 3D puff designs and more. Plus, they provide free edits to ensure your design looks exactly how you want it. Tip number 3, select the right fabric and stabilizer. Your fabric choice plays a big role in how your embroidered logo turns out. For example, thicker fabrics like jackets or hats are perfect for embroidered logos, while thinner fabrics may need extra stabilizing. Always use a stabilizer on the back of your fabric to prevent shifting and puckering. For different fabrics, digitizing.com can also provide recommendations to optimize your logo's look. Tip number 4, choose the right thread colors. To make your logo pop, select high contrast thread colors that complement your design. If your brand has specific colors, ensure that they match the thread shades closely. At digitizing.com, they can help ensure that the colors in your digitized file are accurate to your brand's logo. Tip number 5, proper placement and size. When embroidering logos on items like shirts, jackets or hats, placement is key. Common spots are the left chest for shirts or center front for caps. Size also matters. A logo that's too small will lose detail, while one that's too large may overpower the garment. Always double check your design's dimensions before starting the embroidery process. Digitizing.com offers guidance on logo placement and sizing as part of their digitizing service. Tip number 6, test stitching before final production. Before embroidering a large batch of items, always do a test stitch on the same fabric you'll be using. This ensures that the design, thread tension and colors are perfect. If adjustments are needed, digitizing.com offers free edits on your digitized file, so you can fine-tune your logo until it's perfect. If you want to ensure your embroidered logos are of the highest quality, I highly recommend digitizing.com. They offer professional embroidery digitizing services for all types of designs, from logos to 3D puff embroidery. They even offer free edits, quick turnarounds and secure payment options through PayPal. Whether you're branding your business or just looking to create custom designs, digitizing.com is your go-to service. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these tips help you create stunning embroidered logos that perfectly represent your brand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.